I'm going to show you back loop only single crochet. Here I have a couple of rows of single crochet already started. Looking at the top of my stitches, I see a row of V's marching across the top. Normally when we work a stitch, we work under both loops at the top of a stitch. That's called working under both loops. That is the front loop and the back loop. The front loop is the part of the stitch that is closest to me, so here. And the back loop is the part that is furthest away, here. It has nothing to do with the right side and the wrong side of the work. It has to do with where the stitch is in relation to my body. So to work a back loop single crochet, I'll chain 1 and work just in the back loop, in that one loop, all the way across. I'm just doing a regular single crochet, go in, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, all the way across. At the end of the row, I'll turn and chain 1 and do some more back loop only single crochets. Notice that my front loop, when the work is turned this way, becomes my back loop when I turn it around. If you work multiple rows of back loop only single crochet or single crochet back loop only, you get a ridged fabric. You can see I have these horizontal ridges and it's reversible. They're ridged on both sides. This makes a great fabric for using on sweater cuffs or hat bands. If you turn it sideways, you can see that it stretches just a little bit and hugs the wearer. So you can use it for anytime you want just a little bit of stretchiness and texture in your fabric. Single crochet back loop only can be abbreviated many ways. My patterns often use BLSC, or you may see SCBLO. But no matter what the abbreviation, there should be a definition within the pattern itself. The crochet symbol for back loop single crochet is often the symbol for single crochet, a plus or an X, with a curved line that turns down, that looks like the back loop of a stitch. Again, there should be a stitch key that shows you what the symbol means in every pattern.